It's the Jersey Jaguar, and my first 2024 NBA City Edition jersey arrived in the mail from all the ones that I ordered. This one came in first. It's the Charlotte Hornets City Edition. Guys, what could I say? It's actually a lot better in person, and we're gonna see if it matches up compared to the grade and the ranking that I gave in my original video. A lot to cover as we do got the full ranking. Let's get to it. All right, so I took the jersey off. I want to be holding the jersey so I can explain to you better. So I threw on this Larry Johnson Champion Authentic while I'm demonstrating this Lonzo Ball current Charlotte Hornets jersey. So let's get started with this jersey as a whole. We are going to have 3 main colors and 1 side color. So that main color is going to be a teal on the body. And on the sides and on some of the trim, we are going to have a mint green. Then for the final part of the trim, and around the customization, we are going to have a metallic gold. Finish it off, the customization and the front watermark is going to have white in it. All right, so the basics of the jersey. We do have that teal base. Then on the sides, we are going to have mint green. But in addition to mint green, we are going to have teal striping on the mint green or a slightly darker mint green. And the reason behind it is they wanted to look like a hornet's nest. So that's really cool. I think that's awesome. And then we are going to have mint green on the trim as one of the trim layers, going on the shoulders, neck, and down the sides. And then the other trim color is going to be a really nice metallic gold, as you guys see right there. That color combination for me is absolutely beautiful. So they're going with those colors from the history with gold in Carolina, as well as money being printed in North Carolina as well. So that's really cool. All right. So let's go back on the bottom of the jersey now. What I do like is right here we have the hive is alive. So when we look back at the side trim with the striping, that it is supposed to be a hornet's nest, and they've got the hive is alive at the bottom. This is a cool City Edition jersey. I like it a lot better than I originally ranked it at in one of my earlier videos. Finish things off for the main parts, we are going to have Buzz City watermark on the front. Let's go over the tagging before we go over the customization. So for the tagging, we are going to have a embroidered metallic Jordan logo. So Jordan sponsors all of Charlotte's jerseys. The rest of the City Edition jerseys are Nike. Statement Edition jerseys are all Jordan, but this is the only City Edition jersey that is Jordan. So let's turn the jersey around. We're going to have that typical Jerry West NBA logo. And then at the bottom of the jersey, we are going to have your standard authentic Nike NBA jersey tags. Guys, on the back for the tagging, we are going to have Dry Fit Advanced. And then we're going to have the typical 2023, 2024 NBA price tags. All right, so let's go over the customization of this jersey. Now, guys, the customization is going to be kiss cut, tackle twill. Now, kiss cut, as you can see right here, is when they remove the top layer of the twill to expose the bottom layer. So in this case, the gold is actually the top layer and white is the bottom layer. White is going to be inside of it. And then when we look on the numbers, we are going to have perforation, and you can see teal under it. So that's cool. So technically, we got 3 colors in the customization. Let's turn the jersey around, and you can see again that number 1 with the same color scheme as on the front. Then we are going to have a single non-perforated Lonzo Ball name on the top right there. So going over the materials itself, we are going to have your standard authentic Nike NBA jersey. You're going to have the vapor knit material on the top and on the sides. Then in the center, we are going to have the Dry Fit Advanced material. Turn it around, it's pretty much going to be all vapor knit material. Now on the sides, that hornet's nest is going to be regular, smooth, and silky Dry Fit Advanced material. All right, so it's time to give you the measurements and a description roughly of how this jersey fits. Now it is a men's size 48 authentic, not swingman, but the authentic. Pit to pit, body and waist, we're all gonna be at 22.5 inches. There is no taper, it just goes straight down. Top to bottom, we're gonna be at 31.5 inches. All right, so per usual, I'm gonna show you how this jersey fits from different views. As for myself, I'm a little over 6'2" and 185 pounds. All right, so what score am I going to give this jersey? Now, in my original ranking video, if you guys haven't seen it, I had them classified in the not bad range, which was between a 6.75 and a 7.75. I had them at number 13, if I remember. So after seeing the jersey more, having it in hand, and reviewing it officially, I'm gonna move this up to the next category, which is great, in my opinion, between 7.75 and 8.75. So they're moving from number 13 and taking Brooklyn's number place at 5. Brooklyn's going down to 6. I like this jersey at number 5. I'm giving it a overall score of an 8.5. The uniqueness alone is awesome. Yes, we've seen teal for Charlotte so many times, but this jersey is absolutely unique to them. I love the gold trim and how it really sparkles and pulls that teal as a contrasting color to it. And then the mint green on the side, again, with these Hornets nest stripes, along with that word mark, the hive is alive. Absolutely brilliant job with this jersey. If they made a few tweaks, I think this jersey could have even went up to a 9.5. Again, this was the first 2024 City Edition to arrive out of a few ones that I picked up. Once those other jerseys arrive, I will be making videos of those too. So keep your eyes out. I'll get them out ASAP. Also, let me know in the comments what you thought about this jersey. What are some of the other jerseys you liked and didn't like from this season? Let me know which ones you picked up. If you want to see me do another video, don't hesitate to ask. I'll do my best to get it done. As usual, I'll see you at the next one.